Alright guys, this is Trail Rider 570 coming at you with another video today. This will be my second one, but it's not, you're not going to see it for a few days. What I'm doing is we're going to change this radio system out in my truck here. I have I just changed one radio system out, and I'm going to put that old system on this truck here because it's a 6 multi-channel, where the one that's in it now is only 2 channels. So, and that way I might be able to, get creative with some of my hookups. I put my lighting on a separate switch and all that. So we got to take this off, take the cover off, take this piece off as well. Not because we're going to be pulling wires, but it just makes it easier. I had somebody comment about my breathing earlier in the camera. Well, I got a little bit of a stuffy nose today, so bear with me. I did a live just a little bit ago. There we go. Take that off. We're gonna get into here. See, this is gonna be, I guess, kind of a simple one. Take that off. We are going to figure out what wires are what here. Channel 1, 2, 3, 4. And one is battery. So this is a battery connector. So this would be channel 1. Right here, if I'm not mistaken. Well, that's a battery. We're going to go like this. Take all these off. Take this off, get the receiver, get this out of the way because we're not going to use that now. We're going to use this one here. So, excuse my cold. We're going to plug this into, let's see here, what is channel 3? I'm going to verify. Here's that wire coming over. Where does it go? Let's see here. See, here's a red and black right there. Okay, that wire is going to go to number 3. We're going to plug it in to port 3, like so. Then we're going to go to figure out. It goes here, comes around. This would be number 1. Plug this into number 1. Right there. Bear with me, guys. Sometimes it's not always easy as it looks. Plug these into these. This will give me some extra ports in this truck as well. So this way I can turn off, I'll be able to turn off the headlights and the rock lights if I don't want to have them running on it. That's the idea of going to this radio. Let's do this. We'll get this one out of the way for now. Okay, this is 1. Okay, that will plug in here. I was plugging that in backwards, guys. There's 1. Okay, then we got the speed control, which is we figure out where it's at here, we'll be all set. That's right. That ain't it. I believe. Figure it out here. It's here somewhere. It is here. It is here. Let's see. I can see it. It's right here. See, this has these two connectors here, and there should be. This is the ESC right there. Okay, we can plug him in next to this one, like so. Like so. Then let's see here. This wire here will plug into next one over. Like so. And let's see what we got here for connectors. I think that's about it. Okay, now we'll turn the radio on. Actually, I got this. So controls on the wrong side. My switch. All right, power it up. One hit. Give it throttle. One hit. Do it reverse. One bump. Steering's backwards. Reverse the steering. Okay, then let's see what happens here. Okay, we gotta power it off again. Let's see what happens if I turn it on. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, hit that. It's the PSC is programming. Full throttle. There it is. Get reverse. There it is. Now, there it is. We got it. And just like that, now my light should be off. Oh, let's see. I just got to figure out my lights here. Get them working. So that's about it. How to hook it up. ESC's just a talking today. But that's how it is to hook it up. So that's a quick video for you. We'll see you next time. I just got to put this together and figure out my light connectors and get my lights working with the radio. So thanks a lot, guys, for coming in. If you're new to my channel, always please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for future updates. This Trail Rider saying goodbye and God bless for now. See you later.